I recently purchased this 4-drawer rolling cart. I recently started a job that requires me to work from home, and for my desk, it didn't have drawers that were built in, and I just wanted something a little bit, in addition to the space for my desk. So this one was a really easy purchase to make. It was really easy to put together. I didn't have to ask my husband at all for help. The only thing you will require is a screwdriver, and then that'll make life easy for all the little screws. Like on the little drawers here, they all have like these little tiny screws, but very easy. It took me about probably 30 minutes, and most of that time was because I had to find my screwdriver. But nice, lots of space. It has wheels, and you could use this top if you needed for some more space too. But like I said, it rolls nicely, and I'm going to keep this on the side of my desk like that, but it can fit under a desk easily. So definitely one of the easier decisions I've made as far as purchasing. Quick and easy to put together and provided me a lot of extra space. I'm going to get some organizers to put in there and just a nice, easy piece of furniture. I like the color. It went with my office. So yeah, definitely recommend.